I think my PI hates me. Why is this happening to me? I need to send that abstract. Why am I doing this? Why am I doing this? Why am I doing this? Wait, what was I doing? Yeah, I got in around 11. I think I need a loan. So what's a credit score? Yeah, I haven't seen my PI like in a week. Yeah, I'm writing. I'm so doing industry. I think I'm gonna do industry. You know, I could just do consulting. Yeah, I want to do academia. I hear you make more money being a garbage man. I'm just gonna be an actor. I can never be a PI. I just want to get out of here. I just want a 9-to-5 job. Should have gone to med school. Should have gone to med school. You know, if you help me, I'll put you on the paper. Yeah, I'm gonna be a few minutes late. Yeah, I'm almost done. Yeah, I'm not gonna be able to make it. Do you think I could get Saturday off? Yeah, I'm writing it up right now and it's gonna get submitted soon. The paper got rejected. Grant submitted. The grant got rejected. Is there free food at that seminar? Can I defend with just one aim done? That's definitely a nature paper. No! Yeah, my parents keep asking me when I'm gonna finish. You know, I think I'll be done in 2 years. Yeah, I'm probably gonna be done in 4 years. I think I'll be done in 6 years. If I quit now, I could probably still get a master's. I think I'm just gonna postdoc here. I really hope they kick me out. I'm gonna quit. God, why won't they just kick me out? Yeah, but his project was so easy. My project sucks. My project sucks. It's contaminated. I think using the lasers are making me sterile. Why won't this work? It's written in Chinese. No one's even gonna read this. You know, they keep the mice in better conditions than us. No one cares what I do. I swear I have a brain tumor. Yeah, my parents say they're proud of me. Yeah, that's a really good question. I don't know, but I'll have to look into it. I haven't really thought about that, but that's a really interesting question.
Fuck!